Welcome back. Welcome to Module 4. In the last session, we saw how the file indexer worker does the heavy lifting of reading files. But where does all that extracted text go? Storing it in memory isn't an option. It would be lost as soon as the application closes. And we need memory to be permanent, a little bit more permanent than ephemeral. In this module, we will dive into apps memory, the local database. We will explore how we use Room, which is Google's recommended database library, to permanently store the indexed content, and most importantly, how we query it almost instantly. Now let's go through the agenda for today's session. First, we will go through Introduction to Room, where we will understand usage of Android's abstraction layer, which is called Room, and see how we used full text search in our application using Room. Second, we will see our database schema and understand the search by content function. Third, then we will learn debugging with the database inspector, which is Android's application inspector. Then we will practice by adding a file counter to our code.